Sisasephezulu kwayo indaba ka-season 9 Uthando Nesithembu Uncut, and this past Friday we were watching the episode of wife number 5 uMakhwela. I wonder how deep and hot is season 9 going to be, because now they are showing us a little bit of unseen footages of season 8, and now which is Uthando Nesithembu Uncut. We are seeing here ukubana when uMakhwela was going through her pregnancy with their daughter, she said that she did have support, but you can see that she's not okay. She is not okay. She is not doing well. She is emotionally drained, and she is heavily pregnant at that moment. She is heavily pregnant at that moment. You can see her speaking to Musamseleko, asking him if he's changing his mind, and she said no, she's not changing her mind. And at the same